Hello, counselors. I sure wish we were face-to-face this year, but it's more important that everybody stay safe. Hope you are well and taking good care of yourselves. It's a privilege to be with you, even though it's virtual this year. Hopefully we'll be face-to-face next year. Thank you for the work you do to keep students' doors open and to help them to prepare for their futures. Their futures are brighter because of you. Washington State University is a system with 6 different pathways for students to choose from. The Pullman, Vancouver, and Tri-Cities campuses serve both freshmen and transfer students, while our other campuses serve primarily upper division and/or professional students. I'll be focusing on the Pullman campus today, but my colleagues from Tri-Cities and Vancouver have prepared videos for you as well, so I hope you'll have a chance to check those out. WSU Pullman is located in eastern Washington in a region called the Palouse, the ancestral homelands of the Palouse people and ceded lands of the Nez Perce tribe. The population in Pullman, Washington is a little over 33,000, and 2/3 of those who live here are students, and so it is very much a college town, and 34% of our incoming freshmen are the first in their families to go to college. We offer a number of resources at WSU to help students to be academically successful and to find their future pathway. While I don't have time to go into each of these support services, we've provided a link at the end of each description, and if you have a moment or two, you might want to check that out. Feel free to share those links also with students and parents that you're working with. We offer more than 200 fields of study on the Pullman campus. WSU is a Tier 1 Research 1 university, which means that our faculty are on the edge of discovery and publication in their fields. What's a bit unique, though, is that our undergraduate students have the opportunity to work side by side with our faculty members, and a number of our undergraduate students have actually published in international journals while they are undergraduates. We also offer a robust study abroad program with more than 560 different opportunities. A few key updates for this upcoming admission cycle. First, the application fee has now increased to $70, but students can request a waiver as they always have been able to while they apply. Applications will be pooled this year. The first round notifications will go out in mid-October, and then we will notify students monthly thereafter through the cycle. SAT scores, ACT scores not required or used as a factor this year in either admission or scholarship decisions. And applications must be completed by January 31st to be considered for the University Achievement or Distinguished University Awards. Students can apply online at apply.wsu.edu. Fee waivers are available for qualified students, and the deadline for applications is January 31st. Students can upload a copy of their transcript with their application, or you can provide a transcript if you prefer, and there are a number of different ways for you to do that. They're all listed here. If you need the password for the WSU Counselor portal, please contact us and we'll be happy to get that for you. The scholarship application deadline is January 31st. And this year we'll be doing a number of virtual visitation programs. More information can be found on our visit website. You and your students can find your WSU Pullman counselor at rep.wsu.edu. Thank you again for the work you do each and every day to open doors and change lives. It matters more than you could ever know. Stay safe, be well, be kind to yourself, and hopefully we'll see you next fall face to face.